one thing I always know, that hey, as long as you got GPS, you can always find your way back to the house, man. Go explore a little bit. Go ride around your city a little bit. There's actually a spot that I want to go back to. We celebrated Passover with a group of big family, you know what I'm saying? It was a big family, good turnout. The area was really, really nice, super nice. It was super nice. Yeah, it was a really, really nice area, and it's a really nice riding area, so I definitely want to go back over there. It'd be nice to go back over there. And it was a lot of twisties. The only thing I don't like was that there's a lot of one-way, two-way roads. Kind of don't like that in a way, because it leaves very little room for margin for error, right? You know, when it's just two-way, one way this way, one way that way, hard, because you don't have as much real estate to avoid conflict. You know what I mean? So got to be on your P's and Q's, and got to be watching the road. You got to be watching ahead of you. It's a lot, you know. So it's a nice park. Hey, there's a park over here. Nice Circle K right there. Slow down a little bit because I don't really know these roads. But they are a little bumpy. And it's 40 miles an hour like it is close to my place. And the popos was out over there a lot. And they were catching people. So let me just go to speed limit, since this is an area I don't really know as well. If that shit say 40 miles an hour, hey man, I don't give a damn about the Instagram views. We going 40. If they want you to go faster, tell them motherfuckers to go faster. Oh, I know it's the hood. I gotta be careful over here. This fucking place is crazy. This place crazy. Oh, they got a black rock. Oh, that's a black rock. I thought it was Black Rifle. So we just passed the hood. Nacogdoches is pretty hood. Sometimes got to come over here for stuff, but this is what happens when you end up taking like a lot of different routes to where you usually go. It's like you just find new stuff, man. Dude on the scooter is getting it. He up there getting it. And always, like, kind of my rule of thumb, it doesn't always work, but for the most part it does work. As long as you just go with the flow of the traffic, you're good, man. Like, you're good, you know. Oof, that was bad. See, that's why I said I'm slowing down, because I don't really know these roads, and they are bad. That almost took my bike for a little ride, man. See the crest in the middle of the road is bad. This road is bad. You gotta be careful. Dude on the scooter getting it though. As I'm saying, man, you just follow the flow of the traffic, dude, and usually, you know, you got an 85% chance that the cops are not gonna mess with you, even if you are speeding a little bit, because it's gonna be kind of hard to single you out over everyone else, especially everybody else is going about the same speed limit. They're looking for people that are going well over the fucking speed limit. You know what I mean? Like, well over the speed limit. I think we're over here by Cowboys, by the Harley dealership, I think. May be wrong, but I think we're over here by the Harley. I think he's on as fast. The heck was that? Let me get away from that side, man, because they got some nasty bumps. And I forgot they put in these barriers up. That's what I hate about being behind big ass trucks, man. You can't see what's going on. can't see what's going on. Oh, I can see. It's the worst, man. Having a big ass truck in front of you, you can't see anything, dude. It's like you gotta, your reflexes gotta be on damn spidey senses, man. You gotta have your spidey senses on. Damn. There's another one. Oh shit. It's horrible. Well, I know who he ain't going after. He ain't going after me. That's fine. Go ahead. I'm just getting over well before I gotta get over. Running good today. See? Shitty. It's the gravel. It's all these big trucks, man. Got severe swamp ass right now, I can tell you that. It's so hot. It feels good when you're moving, but man, when you stop, bro, it's like hot. Hey. It's bad. Go ahead. It's safer for him to go. If I can let him go, than me try to go and he get impatient and he come out in front of me. You know what I mean? Like, it's just better to, if you can let somebody go and that means you're gonna be safer, let them go. No ego. Damn, that's a shirt. That's a shirt. No ego.